What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Blind Power. Here it is, the Galaxy Fold, the best phone for the visually impaired. It costs $19.80, so almost $2,000, and it's a good phone. I've already been using it for a couple days, so it's already unboxed, but I just wanted to do this for the video, show you what's in the box. It's only me filming, so let me go ahead and take this box off and I'll come back. In this little sleeve here, I pulled most of it out. It's really nice. All right, set that there. And here's the phone. So this is the Galaxy Fold. It's a 7.3 inch tablet slash phone. There it is. And then bring it upside down. So now that you've seen that, I'm actually filming in my kitchen because I don't have the studio ready. It's got some paperwork. Don't do this, blah, blah, blah. Like a whole bunch of rules. Don't put the finger in the middle when you're opening it. Touch the screen lightly. That's because it's a plastic screen. So it kind of... In here, in this pamphlet, is a case, which I already added. I'll show you in a minute. It's very slim. It comes with the phone. And here's a cable. It's slow charge. Samsung, how dare you? For a $2,000 phone, you're giving me a slow charge, which means this thing will charge your phone in about almost 2 hours. Well, I have a quick charge, another Samsung quick charger, which charges it in 40, almost double the time. These headphones are amazing. It comes with it. It's really nice. I've been using them as well for a couple days. Comes with a little OTG, so to connect USB, and it comes also in here. If you have headphone tips, the wire was in here as well, but I just couldn't fit it back. Like, Samsung's packaging is so nice, I couldn't replicate it for this video. But the whole point is the phone, so I'm not going to waste any more time on the box. I'm going to go ahead and switch to the set, the temporary set, so you guys can see this thing. This thing is just so freaking nice. I love it. So cool. I'm going to talk about it from the accessibility perspective, starting now. Okay, here it is. It's the Galaxy Fold. This phone is amazing. So in the front, you have a 4.6 inch display, huge chin and huge forehead, but you know, limited technology, state of the art. In the back, you have 3 cameras, telephoto, normal and wide angle. You open it up, you have a huge 7.3 inch display. This is awesome. I got tired of, you know, being visually impaired. You have to put your phone up to your face, right? And this phone's amazing. I just go around, it fits in my pocket. I take it out of my pocket. You know, it's a tiny little thing right here, right? Super slim, candy bar style. Open it up, and I got myself a nice 7-inch display. The display is so big. Now, being visually impaired, you still can tell the creases there. There's a little crease in the middle, but the only way to really, let me see if I can get you guys to pick it up too, hold on. The only way to really tell is like by pointing it directly like at the sunlight. At least with my eye condition, I have, you know, 2200. The sighted people in the tech community, they say that it's very visible. For me, it's only visible like in direct lighting. So, you know, for you guys, it may be different depending on your eye acuity. However, if you get past that line in the middle, which you can feel, but it's not a big deal for me. I've gotten used to it. It's okay. It's nice. Whatever. It's super cool because, you know, to read stuff, you have magnification, and you know, it's really large text. You know, it's basically like carrying an iPad mini with you. That, you know, when it's folded out, it's like an iPad mini, and when it's folded, it's like an iPhone 4 type of thing. And like talking an Apple perspective, or like going from a Galaxy S3 to a Galaxy Mega with a flip, that kind of size situation. And It's got front-facing camera in the internal screen, and it's got front-facing camera in the front screen. The hinge is really nice, and this phone, in the sense of being visually impaired, is great. The large screen size, I find myself opening it up when I'm gonna use it for a long period of time. The front screen, it does fine for basic tasks like a phone call, a voice text, that kind of thing. And then when you want to do something larger, you have a large viewfinder. So if I open this thing up and I double press the power button, I can use this as like a large CCTV. And that's kind of, I've always used my phone cameras for years as a large CCTV. And now I can have a larger viewfinder and larger CCTV. This is cool because of the fact that, you know, we're always looking at papers, we're always trying to read something, right? You know, paper that's not a very tiny print. You just use the camera on this phone and it does great. And you have a large viewfinder. It's just awesome. Like, to me, this is the best phone for the visually impaired. The cameras allow for magnification. You know, you have a huge 7-inch screen. I don't know, this phone's amazing. It does have a fingerprint sensor, which is kind of clunky, to be honest, but it does the job. It's just like sometimes I'll find myself misfiring. Like I'll put my finger, but then I'll grab it like this. Like, so it's exactly, I'll have it like with my hands like this, and I'll put my other finger. I have to register this finger, but it's fine. It's got facial recognition, which is pretty good. It doesn't detect me with my glasses though. I'll have to re-register it with my glasses. That's the only thing I find with this. My binocular just doesn't let it register, and Face ID on the iOS devices does. But, you know, those are the only two complaints I have about this thing. This thing is amazing. There is a Galaxy Fold 2 coming out later this year. I just couldn't help it anymore, and I just got it. This phone does come with a sticky case that you put on here. It's a carbon fiber case. It feels like the Pitaka cases. Really nice, or the later cases if you're into that. I don't know, like, should you get this case? Okay, if you find that your average 6.4 inch phone, I'm recording from the iPhone so I can't show you, but you know, 6.4 inch phone, so an iPhone 10s Max, iPhone 11 Pro Max, that type of thing, Galaxy, the, you know, S10 Plus, S11 Plus, I mean, not S11, S20 Plus, you know, those phones are all around the same screen size, so around 6.4. If 6.4 is just a little too small for you, like me, I find myself, basically my nose is almost touching the phone, and this thing it just changed the way I use a cell phone. Go to Best Buy or T-Mobile or AT&T store and get your hands on it. Check it out. It is $66 a month if you're financing it. See, I gotta enter my PIN. So, you know, I'm gonna give you guys like a first-person view look at it now, so you can see. You unlock it, and you've got yourself a nice big phone. You can navigate. You can navigate your phone. You can go to the Google Play Store. I'm gonna actually open the Play Store here so you can see you got large menus. Everything's really cool. Let's go to games, in games, apps, and then when you fold it in, you have this screen here, which is really tiny, really narrow, but for basic functionality, it does the job. You know, it's yeah, it's a little hard to press buttons if you have fingers that are not exactly small. And then, you know, it does the job for magnification. I tend to magnify it quite a bit, and it does seem to save the size of my magnification on this screen. And then when I open it up to the larger screen, so boom, when I open it up to this screen, it saves my magnification size in there as well. There's a little notch here on the top right, but you know, it's for this type of size of screen, it's really not a big deal. Now using it as a CCTV, let's go ahead and do that. So say I have this paper, I don't know, I have the box right here. This is Galaxy. Okay, let's zoom out. What camera am I using? Okay, yeah, we're using the right one. Okay, cool. So from here, I can go ahead and I can say, okay, I want to see, I changed it to the front-facing camera. Zoom in, and I can go ahead and zoom in, and it's got a little bezel here, so you can just grab it as a viewfinder. You can basically see like the table, like the detail. Look at that detail on the table. The box, let's see, what can we read on the box? So you can see like the lettering and the shine of the letters. You can see how neat it is even when you're zoomed in. If we zoom into the kitchen over there to that, you can see what it says. Like, it's very clear camera, really nice. You can then flip it and continue using it in the front. So you can double click here, and if you need to take normal pictures, small screen, you can do that, but it'll also save, it will not save your magnification. I thought it did. So you can like magnify it. Let's see. Screen's so tiny on here, it's not really functional, as you see. But for pictures and stuff, it works fine on the front screen. Magnification, CCTV stuff, do it on the front, on the inside screen, which is huge. 7-inch screen. I don't know, like I'm just such a fan of this thing. I just seriously, for the price, it is a little bit expensive, a little too much expensive, but you know, it does the job. Like for magnification, for everything, carrying a 7-inch display with you is awesome. So there you go. That's the unboxing and the full review. This thing's awesome and incredible. I mean, let me know if you want follow up with this. I think I've rambled enough about this phone. Check it out at the stores. It's great. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Hit the subscribe button and remember to enable the notification bell to get all notifications of blind power uploads. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.